Today I'm installing the Outre quick weave unit. This one's in the style SEVILLE. I don't know if I'm saying it right. I have it in the color 2 because I think that matches my hair most. The stock card shows color 1B and the vanilla cocoa melt. You're supposed to be able to style your hair in 60 seconds. I like a quick weave style. I've already like straightened out my leave out up here at the front. The color 2 is after 1B, so it's a little bit more of a dark brown versus having more black or jet black, but it is offered in the color 1 and 1B, so if you have jet black hair you can get those colors. Then they also have some other color mixtures down there too. I want to try and get it styled like Miss Girl on the stock card because she looks gorgeous, so I'm hoping that I can achieve that style today. So let's go ahead and get her installed. Did I say this was a half wig? If I didn't, you guys, it's a half wig, but it kind of gives almost full, just no lace, so please keep that in mind. I didn't say it, but sometimes people don't listen. You guys, this wig does not have lace. It is a half wig. So if you wear it, you might need to do a headband. You might have some of your hair pulled out. Something's gonna have to cover the fact that, you know, you can see where the wig starts. Please keep that in mind. The curl pattern on this wig is gorgeous. I love the texture of it too. This wig is so affordable. Like, it's probably one of the least expensive wigs that I have, and it looks this good. That's what's like throwing me. And on the card it even mentions how you can basically do your hair quickly, and I did this quickly. Like, I had to slow this video down just to get enough minutes because it really don't take you long to do your hair with this wig. You literally put the wig on, and as long as your leave out is good, then it might take you about a minute or two. But if you want to do a headband, baby, you're gonna have this wig on in like 30 seconds. Just throwing that out there, that this will definitely be one of those wigs to put into your little wig collection and have a quick method to do your hair. My hair is textured and it matches the texture of this unit very well. For it to be a synthetic unit, they got the texture really good. It's not shiny. It gives a little bit of coarse in there, exactly how we need it, so that it matches the hair type. Now, I think I could have left out probably a little bit more hair. I think I could have left out just a little bit more and it would have been like tea. But from a front view, it looks really, really good. But I feel like the lighting I'm sitting in front of is looking like real empty at the root of my hair. And I ain't saying my hair is thick because I don't think my hair is thick at all. But it's getting a little spacey up there. But for the most part, the wig is covered. So it's camouflaged well. You can't see it. Oh, I almost just let out a little curse word, and I don't even cuss on my channel. And it was about to be a good thing. It was about to be a good curse word, because what the heck is this sorcery? This looks so good. This looks so good. I done forgot I didn't even have on no makeup. Oh gosh, this looks good. What? Outre. Yeah, a vibe. Today's unit comes from Ebonyline. Thank you to Ebonyline for sending this unit over. If y'all want this unit, make sure you check out Ebonyline so you can get this same exact wig. Wow. I gotta get up close too because you can't see. I don't know. Can you see my hair? Not my hair. Can you see where the wig starts? Not really. Because with my texture of my hair and then the texture of the wig, you can't see my hair. My hair do look a little thin though, I ain't gonna lie. And it could be the amount of hair that I have out. It's making it look as sparse as it does. But I think also with how the beginning of the wig is made, it makes it look more blended into your hair. Because in person, I promise you, I'm looking like straight into a mirror right here and I can't see where the wig starts. That looks good, but I don't know who's gonna be looking at the top of my head anyways, because from a front view, baby, you can't tell. Let me go do my makeup right fast. I ain't even brushed the curls out either because I like how they sit in. Ooh. And that did not take any time at all. Can we talk about that? That didn't take me no time, like 0 time. With the quickness, I am rating this wig overall a 10 out of 10. It just looks way too good. And wait until y'all see where I slide the hair over to the side and it gives like side part. Oh, it's so good. And it has layers. The curls actually look pretty before they're even brushed out. I feel like it's gonna look gorgeous if you brush them out as well, but I want mine to kind of naturally fall. But please keep in mind, y'all, this is a very inexpensive wig, so it's one that you are going to have to take care of for it to last a little longer. And I'm not saying that it's gonna last a long time. You probably will have to replace this wig often because it's not like, it's not human hair. It's not, you know, like the top quality hair. So you're going to, it's synthetic hair. You're going to have to replace it if you want it to always look this way. But the good thing is it's affordable. So it's an affordable option to replace. And then with the color options, you know, you can spice it up a little bit and just throw you some more options in your collection. But overall, I like this wig. I will definitely wear it because it just looks so elegant. But yeah, if you guys are interested in it, I'm going to have it in my description bar below. And thank you to Ebonyline for sending it over. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye, y'all.